Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to REALME C71. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by clicking on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, Allow in first pop-up and Allow all in the second one. Then tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. Now it's time to select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of REALME. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. In last two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any apps, hit OK in this white pop-up. And now tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip 1 to access those two connection ways. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section on REALME, below enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And hit Receive button to connect. In order to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad and allow camera access in the pop-up. Then point your REALME's camera at the code. Close our ads, and as you can see after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!